morning guys, I hope you're all doing okay. Happy Tuesday or whatever day you're watching this video. I love the chilly air in the morning, it's my favorite thing. So in today's video I will take you through my morning routine, and just for reference, I don't do the same things every single day. Some days are busier and some other days are kind of slower, I would say. I don't have many things to do. So yeah, let's see what we have to do today. Find me a better breakfast than healthy protein pancakes. Canadian maple syrup, almond milk ice latte, this is the reality behind the scenes. Now the reality of working on social media. Please ignore this ugly thing behind me. It's a 3D printer. It's my husband's. I don't use it. So we will act like it's not there. I have to plan my new content, like YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram content, like anything. And also have to edit 2 YouTube videos, and also will have to edit the one that I'm currently filming once I'm done. I have to do YouTube thumbnails, I have to edit TikTok videos, so now I will spend approximately 2 hours on my computer doing all the things that I mentioned. Gym time! Do you also go to the gym like this? Nobody will know. Today I'm training upper body, and I will also do a little bit of cardio. I will run on the treadmill. I feel very energized and happy to go to the gym, but at the same time I feel a little bit anxious because I think the coffee I had was quite strong. I think I'm shaking a little bit. Did you see that? Hopefully the gym will help. So guys, that was my morning for today. I came from the gym, I took a shower, I washed my hair, and now I'm gonna cook lunch, and I will continue with the rest of my day. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, write me in the comments below what you want to see next, and I will hopefully see you to my next video.